Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be all about two-channel relay with remote. This works on a 12-volt supply. Also, it has a button where you can reset your programs. And this works with a supply of 12 volts. Here, I'm going to give a supply of 12 volts through a battery and connecting the positive and negative terminal. So let's connect it to the 12 volts pin and a ground pin. So as you can see, the supply has been given and the light is glowing. Now let's try to connect a LED with the positive and negative terminals to this two-channel remote relay. So let's get a LED and connect one end, which is the negative end, to one of the jumper wire, and the other end is the positive end. So this we are going to connect it to our two-channel relay. So let's test by giving a supply if it works or not. So I'm just giving a supply to test the LED. As you can see, the LED is working. Now it's time for us to connect it to this two-channel relay and let's see how it works. Now let's connect one end, which is the sixth pin. We are going to connect it with one jumper wire, and this we are going to connect it with a battery negative. So here I have a supply with a battery negative, and I have connected this. This is a supply for LED, okay? And one terminal of LED, I'm going to connect it to the second pin, okay? And the positive supply, I'm going to connect it to the anode, okay? And after this, we are going to give a 12 volt supply to this. I hope this is clear. In case if you need a more detailed wiring, I have provided the link below in the description. So it's time for us to test it. So you can just click the button to see if the LED works or not. So here you can click a button A and you can see LED is on. You can press the same LED to turn it off, and there is a reset button to change the programming settings. You can make it in different modes. So you can connect it to the different modes and it works perfectly fine. And I have connected, for example, for this bulb, and this is how it works